Ooh. Alakadam batana dana, alakamana hana hana. Ooh, I can see clearly now. Jessie here from Tonkadale. Let's talk about trends for 2026. The predictions have come forth. This is what you'll see for 2026. Ooh, oh yes, yes. In 2026, plants will become furniture. If it can't hold a drink, it needs to hold a leaf. Plants will replace big statement pieces in your home everywhere. Ooh. Oh, okay, I can see it now. In 2026, one single plant is no longer an option. Groupings of plants is where it's at. If your plants don't have friends, consider them lonely. Yes. Yes, yes. In 2026, moss gets a moment. We're seeing moss on walls, in artwork, on clothing, in tapestries. Moss madness. I can see it now. A mossy statement rock, moss balls, terrariums with mossy scapes, bog gardens, moss-inspired workshops and classes. Beige is still here and it's evolving. Beige is emotional. Beige is the moment. Beige is the backdrop. Beige emotes feelings like toastiness and warmth, nice enclosed spaces. We have tones of mushroom and mineral all working together. Yes, beige paired with bold animal prints and sharp black lines. I can see it now. Yes, in 2026, I'm getting it now. Green is a neutral color. It can be used everywhere. Floors, walls, tile, cabinetry, fabrics, plants, pots, pottery, indoors, outdoors. It's all about the green. Yes, I can see it now. Ooh, greens pop off of our Pantone color of the year. What is it called? Cloud, something cloud. Yes, moist and bountiful and lush and dewy. Greens. In 2026, pink is here. Pink is here to stay, and she is punchy. She is perfect. She is primed. She is here, and this is what she looks like. I can see it. I can see it now. Pink reflects back at me. She's a reflection of everything I know and love. In 2026, she'll guide the way. It's ridiculous. I'm trying to escape. Oh, I can feel it now. We have flexibility. There are no rules. Oh, here it is. This is it. Matching pots are out. Mix and match is in. Different saucers with different pots. Curate your collection with new items, old items, vintage items, gifted items. It's all coming together. Textures flow together. Flowers go with foliage. Oh, I'm feeling warm. There's a warmth coming over me. I can feel it down my midline. Yes, cozy. It's something cozy. Cozy is a movement. It's a lifestyle, not just a look. Ooh, you can feel it in your bones. You know it when you see it. Cozy is having all of your most favorite things around you all of the time. That's cozy. Trinkets, collections, decor, that's cozy. Okay, this just in. Oh, yes. Ooh, tingle. I'm tingling. It's running down. Okay, vines. Vines. Vines will be taking over our spaces. Politely, though. Pothos draping, it's philodendrons climbing, it's ivies and Hoyas, all working together to create this delightful curtain of controlled chaos. 2026 will be based in green, cozy moss vibes, curated collections of mix and match pots and plant pairings, statement houseplants, all accented by pops of pink. Yes, and for my last prediction, I can see your visit to the greenhouse where you witness all of what 2026 has to offer, unfurling right before your eyes. It's going to be a great year. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at Tonkadale.